Hello friends, I am Dr. Bharat Gadak, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRTR, BH Commerce and EM Science, popularly known as KTHM College. Student friends, I warmly welcome you to today's class. We are talking about the GGDT 114, Principle of Population and Settlement Geography. The paper number is 4 and topic number is 6 and semester number is first. Now, today's topic will be discussed. Now, topic name is fertility and mortality. Now, today's topic will be discussed for concept of baby boom. Now, today we are going to learn about this topic name is concept of baby boom. And now this concept is related to the fertility. Now some concept will be discussed from the fertility and then discussed from the concept of the baby boom. Now study of the human fertility occupies the central position of the study of population in several regions. Human fertility responsible for biological replacement for the maintenance of human society. The growth of the population of the world depends on entirely human fertility. Any society and replenishes itself through the process of human fertility. Thus, in population dynamics, fertility is a positive force through which the population expands in constructing the force of attention caused by the mortality. If the replacement of human numbers is not adequate, that is, if the number of deaths in a particular society continues to be more than that the birth, that society would face of the danger of becoming extinct. On the other hand, excessive replacement of human numbers can also create several social and political problems for the country. The process of replacement of groups through the fertility is a complicated process with the biological limit of human fertility. Several social, culture, psychological, as well as economic and political factors are found in operate. Now, and these are the responsible for determining the level of and differentials of fertility. Prior to the Second World War, the approach to the study of human fertility was mainly mathematical oriented. The social, psychological, cultural, economic, and political factors in determining the level and differential of fertility were not accorded a proper importance. The main reason for this limited viewpoint was that the discipline of population studies at that time was not developed to any great extent, not over the interdisciplinary nature of the science release. Now, the dynamic characteristics of fertility was released when, after the Great Depressions of the early 1930s, the birth rates of West Europe and North America, United States of America and Canada, which were quite low till then and which is ahead of consistently register and declining trends, are starkly rising and stabilize themselves at higher level and then decline. Till that time, demographers had expected that the birth rates in Northwest Europe and North America will continue to decline or would be stabilized at a lower level. With the upsurge in the birth rates following the economic recovery, the phenomena is popularly known as the baby boom. All the population projection based on the baby boom, all the based on the assumption and declining birth rates want higher through the baby booms was not anticipated and non-causes. Never to be forgotten embarrassment the demographers is brought about the realization among the social scientists in general and demographers in particular that fertility had to be studied in the broader perspective. With the due to importance given to the social and economic culture as well as a political factor, this phenomena of the baby boom also brought to light the fact even planned and families can to be large and not only small and others. Now experience other the countries they demonstrated that fluctuation in the fertility rates of country might take place in the response of political and social economic condition. For instance, the Romania is result legalized abortion is the birth rate is declined for level is 22.5 per thousand population in 1956. Now in 14.3 per thousand population in 1966, when the 1966 abortion facility withdraw, the birth rate was set up is 27 point in 1 year, that is 1967. Perhaps the most rapid rise of the birth rate is witnessed in 1 year. According to the Ronald Freedom, Friedman, this is episode the Roman demographic history and dramatic examples of kind in natural experiment occurring the human fertility, most of which are not studied and systematically in order to observe causes and consequences. In 1960s, an increasingly realized that is a problematic factor in population growth. Now, growth of developing as well as developed countries was birth rate. The growth rates as several countries as present depends on level of fertility and mortality and are the not much affected by international migration. In the developing countries, mortality has declined considerably and is expected to the decline further. Birth rates in these countries, however, have not declined correspondingly, with the result that these countries are the experiencing an extremely rapid population growth, which in opinion of development expert in threat of programs of social and economic developments. Now, though the rate of population growth could be brought down through the decline in birth rates, it is soon realized that its effect bringing down the fertility rates would be successfully only development scientists were equipped with the any advocate knowledge in fertility behavior in the context of the cultural, social, economic and a political setting. The realizations give the impetus to the study of the fertility behavior in various developing countries. Social scientists involved in other fields such as economics, psychology, sociology, and anthropology, as well as biologists start taking in the great deal of interest in the field of human fertility. Policymakers, administrators, medical doctors, and newspaper reporters have also started taking an interest in the study of fertility, mainly from the point of view the application of such knowledge family planning program, and they have also contributed research in the field. As a result of this development, there is a great deal of fertility studies developing countries, especially after 1960. The reasons of the growing interest of study of fertility are also worth considering. One of these is that the age structure of any population is primarily determine the fertility, that is and the gaps in the state structure can have the serious with social, economic and political outtones. The other reason is that is because of methodological development such as the sample survey method in the introduction new technique of fertility measurement. In coherent fertility study, fertility could be undertaken various angles with the help of carefully designed and sharply focused sample survey. It is only become possible to study the many aspects of human fertility such as contraceptive abortion, and which is the it regarding to the personal and intimate for any systematic analysis. In fact, the present various personal aspect of human fertility also being the successfully studied to different cultures setting. Now here will be discussed for the some concept of baby boom will be discussed one by one. Now student, this is the topic number 5. The topic name is fertility and mortality. Now last lecture will be discuss concept fertility, sterility and coherent. Now total fertility and crude birth rate. Now concept will be concept of baby boom, concept of mortality and morbidity, death rates and major level and trends of mortality rates. Now first of all, baby boom. The baby boom is the period of mark is a significant increase in birth rate. Very simple and simple definition is that baby boom is the period of mark, which is the period is marked by the significant increase in the birth rate. Means significant increase means those period will be most of the increase of the birth rate. It's called as a baby boom. This period is marked means those period will mark for the significant increase of the birth rate. It is called as a baby boom. Now this demographic phenomenon is usually ascribed within the certain geographical bounds in the defined national and cultural populations. Now, people born during these periods are often is called as baby boomers. Now, the cause is baby booms involve the various fertility factors. These most well known baby booms occur the mid and 20th century, sometimes considered to have started after the end of Second World War, sometimes from the late 1930s and ending of the 1960s. These are the some periods. It is called as baby boom period. Now it is significant increase of the birth rate. It is called as baby boomers, and it is called as during people born. Now those in this period will people born is called as a baby boomers. Now this is all the some causes and baby boom involves various fertility factors. Now here The study of human fertility occupies the central position in the study of population for the several reasons. Human fertility is responsible for biological replacement and maintenance of the human society. Now, the growth of population is world depends on entirely human fertility. Any society replaces itself through the process of human fertility. Thus, the population dynamics fertility is the positive force, though which is the population expanding, conducting the force attention caused by the mortality. If the replacement of human numbers is not advocate, that is, if number of death and its particular society continues to be more than at the birth, the society will be face the danger of becoming extinct. On the other hand, excessive replacement of human numbers can also create several social and political problems for any country. The process of replacement of age group through the fertility is a complicated process. Now, this is the baby boom. Another one more things here. Within the biological limit of human fertility, several social, cultural, and psychological as well as economic and political factors are found to operate. Means these are the some responsible for the some are the factors the affect to the baby boom concept. Baby boom concept is the biological limit for the for human fertility mainly. These are the some responsible for determining the levels and differentiation of fertility. Now, prior to the Second World War, the approach of the to study the human fertility was mainly mathematical oriented. The social, psychological, cultural, economic, and political factors in determining the level and differentials of fertility were not according to the proper maintenance. The main reason for that is limit viewpoint was that the discipline of population studies at that time was not developed for any great extent, nor over the interdisciplinary nature in the of the science and realized. Now, the dynamic characters of fertility was not realized after the Great Depression on the 1930s. The birth rate in Northwest Europe and North America now were quite low till then, which is had consistently register of declining trends start rising and stabilize themselves the higher levels and then decline. Now, these are the some till the time the demographer had expected the birth rate is Northwest Europe and North America continue to decline and would be stabilized and at lower level. With that, the birth rates is falling, the economic recovery, the phenomena is popularly known as baby boom. All the population projection based on the assumption of declining birth rates went higher. Now, though baby boom was not an antiseptic cause by never to be forgotten embarrassment and demographers is brought about the realization among the social scientists in general and demographers in particular that fertility had to be studied in the broader perspective with the due importance given in social, economic, culture as well as political factors. This phenomena of the baby boom also brought to light that fact that even plain families can be large and not only small and told earlier. Student, today we will stop here. We will be discussed for today's topic is the concept of baby boom. Now, student, any doubt, any queries to ask any right time mail bharatgadak@ktchmcollege.ec.in. Now, student, today stop here. Next lecture, next point will be continue for next day. Okay, good day, bye.